Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Charlotte Hall, local and long distance. Movers Near Me long distance move involves many tasks that can easily affect you physically, emotionally, and mentally. For example, packing your belongings in separate boxes, lifting them, loading, transporting them, and then unpacking everything at your new home. 3 Movers is a long-distance moving company that offers moving services to make your long-distance move stress-free. We can simplify your long-distance move by taking off the pressure from your shoulders. We offer flexible and transparent prices based on the type of move and the size of your belongings. Local move is just as hectic as any other move. Even in a local move, boxes still need to be packed, and lifting is the most difficult task to do, especially when you are doing it alone. Therefore, hire a moving company to make your local move easier and simpler. 3 Movers is a local moving company that provides moving services to give you a hassle-free moving experience. Let us handle the moving processes while you focus on other things. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Charlotte Hall moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.